In this video I'm going to show you how to see liked videos on Snapchat. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open Snapchat on iPhone or Android. It's works same. Then select video sections in this bottom right. Then for example, I liked give like this video. So then also other video like this one. And to check liked video, just tap on this icon to go home, then select your profile icon in this left corner top, and it's open profile sections here, and swipe up for my favorite sections. Here showing some video, so tap on view all, so it open all the liked video here. For example, this one, just I liked video, and you can dislike from here. Just tap again to dislike that video. So that way you can see liked videos on Snapchat. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.